Hey, everyone, it's Malik Hamza here. Today, I'm diving into something super cool for all you AI enthusiasts, how GPT can transform your efficiency with Google Sheets. Imagine you're knee-deep in spreadsheets, juggling massive datasets and on the verge of pulling your hair out. Well, guess what? GPT's got your back. So picture this. Cedric Rego, a project manager at a marketing firm, has to compile data from multiple campaigns into a comprehensive report. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Not for Cedric, because he decided to team up with GPT. Cedric starts by typing, "Help me organize and analyze data in Google Sheets for a marketing report." And just like that, GPT lays out a game plan. First, consolidate all your data into one master sheet. Use functions like import data and query to pull data from different sheets into one place. Simple but brilliant. Next, GPT suggests formulas to summarize the data. Summaries for totaling campaign expenditures, average for performance metrics, and even a custom formula for calculating ROI. Cedric's mind is blown. He's breezing through tasks that would have taken hours, but it doesn't stop there. GPT also dishes out tips on visualizing the data. Pivot tables to aggregate information, bar graphs, pie charts, all the goodies to make his report pop. Cedric's report is not just data, it's a visual masterpiece. Still not enough, GPT guides Cedric on using Google Sheets' built-in functions. Conditional formatting to highlight key metrics, filter to display data dynamically. Cedric's report goes from basic to boss level, and his team is seriously impressed. This is the magic of GPT with Google Sheets. It's like having a data wizard in your pocket. Whether you're managing datasets, generating reports, or crafting complex formulas, GPT simplifies it all. It turns overwhelming tasks into manageable projects, saving you time and boosting productivity. So the next time you're drowning in data, remember, GPT is your go-to guide for mastering Google Sheets. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights. See you next time. And remember, the power of AI is just a click away. Embrace it and watch your productivity soar. With GPT, you're not just working smarter, you're working with a partner that understands your needs and helps you achieve your goals effortlessly. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who could use a productivity boost. Let's spread the word about the incredible potential of AI in everyday tasks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI to make your life easier. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.